Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Design patterns are standard solutions to common software design problems. They represent best practices that can be reused in different contexts. Javatpoint is a popular educational site that provides tutorials on various topics, including design patterns. Below is an informative tutorial on design patterns, along with a code example. Introduction to design patterns. Design patterns can be categorized into three main types. 1. Creational patterns, concerned with the way of creating objects. Examples include singleton, factory method, and abstract factory. 2. Structural patterns, deal with object composition, helping to form large structures. Examples include adapter, composite, and proxy. 3. Behavioral patterns, focus on communication between objects. Examples include observer, strategy, and command. Example design pattern, singleton pattern. The singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. Characteristics. Private constructor to prevent instantiation from outside. A static method to get the instance of the class. Lazy initialization of the instance. Code example. Here's a simple implementation of the singleton pattern in Java. Explanation of the code. 1. Singleton class. The class has a private static variable instance of its own type, which holds the only instance. The constructor is private, preventing any external instantiation. The getInstance method checks if instance is null. If it is, it creates a new instance, otherwise, it returns the existing one. This is called lazy initialization. The displayMessage method is an example of a function you might want to call on the singleton instance. 2. Test class. In the main method, we call getInstance to retrieve the singleton instance. We then call displayMessage to demonstrate that the singleton is functional. Finally, we check if both calls to getInstance return the same instance, confirming that the pattern works correctly. Conclusion. The singleton pattern is a widely used design pattern that can be beneficial in scenarios where a single instance of a class is needed, such as configuration settings, logging, and thread pools. Understanding design patterns can greatly improve your ability to write clean, maintainable, and scalable code. For more design patterns and detailed explanations, you can visit Javatpoint Design Patterns, https://www.javatpoint.com/design-patterns-in-java. They provide comprehensive tutorials on various design patterns in Java.